De quadro de celebração de 40 anos, Fundação para Consumidor a organizar o seminário terminal de garantia e condição geral, especialmente para comerciantes. Meta de seminário aqui estava para informar comerciantes que com a mestra tem na conta com ele no momento de venda de produto ou serviço na consumidor. Mr. Peter Click, orador de anoche, explica que a lei de consumidor tem para proteger o consumidor. Door de dar mais direitos no momento que não será contrato de compra com comerciante, qual é partido profissional. Também, Mr. Click a encorajar comerciantes para formular na condição geral de tal forma que não tenha em conta o direito do consumidor. Aspecto principal está que o consumidor não mestre por tomar nota de condição geral no momento de compra e que o consumidor não tem direito de reclamar ora produto ou serviço não está bom.
We would like to start this evening with a welcome speech of Ms. Jamila Lawrence. Please give us a warm applause for Jamila Lawrence. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you tonight at our seminar, General Terms and Conditions. Thank you for your participation in this seminar. Your presence tonight, despite of your busy schedule, demonstrate how valuable your company and your clients are to you. 40 years ago, Fundação para Consumidor was founded as a civil initiative to provide in the necessity for consumers' protection. Our main objective is to ensure the rights of consumers, which are mainly the right to satisfaction of basic needs, the right to protection from dangerous goods, the right to be informed, the right to be provided of a wide variety of goods and services to choose from, the right to be heard and have the consumer's interests represented, the right to receive a fair settlement of just claims, the right to a healthy environment, and last but not least, the right to consumer education.
Please give me a warm applause for Mr. Click.
We're going to talk a little bit about consumer sales. You have to know the law. What does the law provide? The law provides protection. Protection against traders, entrepreneurs who make those unfair contract terms, who do not respect the rights of the consumers. And that in a way is kind of strange, because you would think that a business is geared toward good business. And isn't good business just basically giving the consumer what he is entitled to? The consumer only has rights if there is a breach of contract, if there is a breach of warranty. If the seller allows you to bring back the goods, even if the goods are okay, he's giving you a little extra. There's nothing in the law that forces him to do this.
For the closing part, I would like to call forward Mr. Mark Marshall, Director of Fundação para Consumidor.
I would like to call Mr. Click once again on the stand to offer you a small token of appreciation and to thank you for a very enlightening presentation of tonight. Furthermore, I would like to thank my colleagues for a nice preparation of the seminar, and eventually also thank you for being present here tonight and to attend to the seminar. Thank you for coming to this seminar of Fundação para Consumidor.